It's winning, man.
Whoa! Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. Regular Wednesday night race night, running the Tekno EB410.2 for the second week out. I did not make any changes to the setup. I'm just getting used to driving it, and I feel like I am driving it better this week. We're just going to get it here and try and win this race. I'm in the A main. Yes, made it into the A. There are less people here this week, but still, A main race. Let's see how we do. I think I'm going to be starting in around 4th or 5th. Really, the only other change that I made to the cars in the racing setup is I'm running a Shen RC PPR slots wheel. This is made out of rubber, and it has made the wheel noticeably grippier. So let's see how that handles it on the track. For battery, I am still running the Genzace 5100. I do like that. It's a little bit lighter. That 10 grams, 12 gram savings over the 6000. I do like it. See how we do in this race. Okay guys, here we are with the Tekno EB410.2 ready to go in the A main. I'm starting in 5th position. Check in and get this rolling.
The dip housing? Did you get that? No, we got that. The aluminum.
A main for all the bragging rights. Racing, sound tone less than 5.
Whoa!
Here we go, full driving. Train going with step up. Ooh, taking it size, taking it roll.
Frig.
Ooh, the car goes fast. Lots of it, lots of it.
Whoa!
Oh no. He's flipped over, he's under the view now. Oh, it's marking on a little bit. Oh, he took the pipe. Mark something to no man's land.
JC, you got me next! JC!
Oh, chaos happening. No idea where he is. He's on his roof. He's on the last now. Everyone's flipping on the double. What is this?
Oh, I think I'm up in the 3rd now.
It's winning, man.
Whoa! Whoa!
Fighting friends up over. That's so tough. Yeah, that car's fast.
Whoa, got a little sideways there. Joel's on my butt. Suddenly got very loose.
So we got 1-2 going on the double triple right now. Brian going down the straight. Mark going down the straight. There's the bow going down the straight right now. Brian versus Mark. Head to toe. Oh, Brian versus Mark. Mark blocked the middle of it. Lucky bump. Oh, coming fast. Oh, that was Brian's pass. That's Brian's front now. Yeah, he and Mark going double triple right now on that blue ball X-ray. Called on Brian going in straight and white and orange associated.
like I put some space between everyone.
Oh, he's just on his roof. That's going to go to Mark Hunter. All he's got to do is keep it on the rubber and he's got it. Now that's Davis. Look, he's right there on Ryan.
And Dara's catching up too, man. It's going to be a fight for second, that's for sure.
He's loving that new Tekno. New body, new kit. Flying like that.
"45 seconds. He's making up time on me every lap, that's for sure. Look at this car behind me, reeled me right in. Oh, little touch. There was no room there. Ah, whoa, lucky rollover.
15 seconds to go. This might be the last lap. 5 seconds.
Can I hold on to this? Oh,
That's it. Golden mark, Jack. You guys are done.
Are we done?
whoa, good effort, man. Oh.
I used up all my talent in the qualifiers.
Whew. All right, that was an A-main. That was fun. Yeah. Man, this car is excellent. Alrighty guys, that was my second race with the EB410.2. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. Yeah.